Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this delicious oha soup. If you're interested, keep watching. I'm starting out with a freshly washed meat. Next, I'm going to be adding my spices. And then I'm going to add these favorite spices of mine. I have made a video about it. I'm going to leave it in the description of this video. Go and watch it. You are going to like it. Guys, next I'm going to mix it up nicely and then allow it to steam for about 20 minutes. Oha is one of the best traditional soup you will find in Igbo land. Whenever you're going for occasion or you visit any family, if they want to treat you like a king, they are going to prepare ofora or bitterleaf, ofonumu, as it is called for you. This is indeed a traditional food. Guys, once my meat has steamed for about 20 minutes, next I'm going to put it in my air fryer and then dry it. As you all know, I really love dry meat. Next, I'm adding water on the pot, the quantity of water I'm going to be using for cooking. So after which, pick my oha leaf. Guys, this oha, I bought one for £2.99. Very expensive. Omo, how much is this sell in Nigeria? And this is how many stick? How many stick is there? Oh my gosh. Anyway, we live in abroad. Whatever we see, we will chop. I'll just pick it up and then soak the leaf in the water. Wash it neatly because of sand. Oha leaf always contain a lot of sand. This is my first time adding hot leaf in oha soup. I have not done it before. The lady that sold this oha to me told me that if I add the hot leaf on it, it's going to taste nice. So as you know now, your girls have been try anything where they new. I said I would try it. I'm going to soak it with water and then for the hot leaf, I'll pluck it behind the camera. So moving on to the cocoyam. I wanted to buy fresh cocoyam or as it is called in my language, ede. But the chances of me getting good ones in it is 70-30. So instead of me wasting my money, I decided to try this cocoyam fufu since it's the same cocoyam. Let's see how it's going to be. So what I did was to open it and then pour some of it into the bowl and then use hot water to mix it up. You know when you pan cocoyam, how it used to draw? This is what I'm going to do with it. I'll just use scissors to open the bag and then put some quantity inside the bowl, add hot water on it and mix it until I get the texture I want. I was supposed to put it this way in the soup, but if you try it, some of the cocoyam will not dissolve in the water. So the best way is for you to mix it up with water first and then put it in the pot, just like I am doing now. This method of cooking oha soup is the same method if you want to cook bitter leaf soup. The difference is the vegetable, but the ingredients and everything is the same. Guys, I'm going to mix this cocoyam properly until I get the texture I want, just like you are seeing now. Moving on to the next part, I'm going to be adding the fish in the pot, followed by the ede. Once I'm done adding the cocoyam inside the pot, I'm cover it and allow it to boil. I'll allow it to boil for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then I'm going to add my oil and then I add my pepper, my crayfish, and then the most important ingredients. If you don't have this when you are preparing your oha soup, forget it. That's not oha soup. It is called Ogiri Igbo. I don't know the name in English. Some people call it dawa dawa. The reason why I'm adding it this early is because I want it to dissolve while the pot is still boiling. Let it dissolve on time. So I add it. I try to dissolve it with my hands the way I can and then I'll leave it, cover the pot to boil for another 5 minutes. Moving on to the next part, I'm just going to stir it a little bit before adding the vegetable on it. As you can see, the soup is ready. What is remaining is just the vegetable. Next, I'm going to be adding the hot leaf and then give it a little bit of stir. before I start adding the oha leaf on it. So guys, I'm going to put the oha leaf inside the pot, then give it a little bit of stir, cover it to boil for about 2 minutes. I don't want the leaf to become totally black, so I won't leave it to boil for long. 2 minutes is okay, or 3 minutes is okay for me. So guys, the last thing I'm going to be adding in this pot is my dry meat. You all know I love dry meat on this platform. I don't joke with it. I'll just add it on it, stir it a little bit, and then cover it to boil for 2 to 3 minutes. And then that is it. Your oha soup is ready. If you're still watching this video till this time, thank you so much for your time watching my videos. Remember guys, I love you all so much. I'll test for salt and then cover it now to steam for another 2 to 3 minutes, after which your soup is ready. You can enjoy this soup with akpu, pounded yam, garri, semo, name it. But the one I prefer is akpu and pounded yam. Omo, it would take you to heaven. Go see Jesus. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Please let me know what you think in the comment section. See you on my next one. Bye.